Now at 5, new look, new name. A local organization is rebranding itself, getting away from a name leaders say is outdated. Good evening. Today, state health officials announced a quickly spreading outbreak of HIV in southeastern Indiana, while here in northeast Indiana, the AIDS task force is revamping its image. News Channel 15's Carrie Houston is in Studio 15 with the story.
Heather, graphic design students from the University of St. Francis came up with the new look, and the new name is more reflective of the work the agency does now, prevention and free testing.
We have come a long way since 1985.
AIDS Task Force is an identity that no longer suits the agency, created in Fort Wayne at the height of the AIDS crisis. So after 30 years of providing compassionate outreach to people suffering from HIV and AIDS, the nonprofit has changed its name to Positive Resource Center.
69% of our clients at this point have HIV but do not have AIDS. We wanted something a little bit softer and also communicate that if someone is HIV positive, there are positive things we can do to still keep them healthy.
A rash of newly diagnosed HIV cases in southeastern Indiana was reported by officials today. 26 confirmed and 4 preliminary HIV positive cases since mid-December. The new HIV cases were found in IV drug users.
My thoughts are they probably found one positive person, and then they were able to find needle-sharing partners from that. Injection drug use is on the rise. The local police are telling us that. Our own experience is telling us that.
Sex is still the primary way HIV is transmitted. 12 new cases of HIV were reported in northeast Indiana last year, and according to Positive Resource Center, that rate is pretty typical of the past 10 years. The cure founders of the former AIDS task force were hoping for in the 1980s still hasn't been discovered, guaranteeing the need for Positive Resource Center until that day.
State officials are working closely with health departments and healthcare providers to contain that spread of HIV in southeastern Indiana. Carrie Houston, News Channel 15.